Welcome to Wondertales. It's picnic time, and guess who's crashing the party? A cheeky chocolate chip cookie. On a sunny afternoon, a picnic was set under a shady tree. On a pretty blue plate sat a sweet little chocolate chip cookie. "Oh no," said the cookie. "Ants are coming. I must hide." He spotted a big green leaf and tiptoed over. "Perfect," he whispered, curling underneath it. But hiding wasn't easy. A butterfly landed on the leaf. "Is someone giggling down there?" Then came the ants. "We smell something chocolatey." The cookie held his breath. "If I stay very still, they'll never find me." But then, tickle, tickle, the ants wiggled his crumbs. "Achoo!" sneezed the cookie, and the leaf flew off. Everyone laughed, even the cookie. The ants weren't there to eat him. They just wanted to say hi and invite him to their leaf boat race. "Really?" said the cookie. "I'd love to watch." From that day on, the cookie didn't hide anymore. He made lots of teeny-tiny friends and even became the official race judge, because sometimes coming out from hiding brings the sweetest surprises. The end. What would you do if a cookie joined your picnic? Thanks for joining the cookie who hid under a leaf. Stay sweet, stay safe, and keep an eye out under the leaves. You never know who's hiding.